Okay, slick back bun done. I just can't tell if I look like a unicorn. Good morning, welcome back to another video. My name is Vanessa. I just attempted a slick back bun. I think we like it. Open the window, it's so sunny out today. Get this day started.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's husband in court today for a status hearing.
This is my outfit for today. Just changed. Have on these sunglasses and a hat. Honestly, don't remember where I got this shirt or these jeans, so that's not helpful. But I did just order these shoes from Amazon. I don't know if you can see them. They are these black wedge boots. They're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. And I just like to tuck my pants in sometimes to make them look a little better. But I actually wanted to film for you guys and make a little bit of lunch right now. And maybe I'll just place you guys there. Should I take these glasses off? I feel like I like them on. Let's make some lunch. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna grab this thing so I can put my camera on it. I'm thinking perfect. Okay, let's make a salad. I'm just drinking a celery juice, and I wanted to show you guys the flowers I got my mom for Valentine's Day. Aren't they so pretty? They're so cute. Also, happy Valentine's Day to anyone watching. Okay, I think I want to make a salad, like a really big salad with a ton of greens, and I don't know, I gotta add like a protein to it or something. So let's just put this back here, but I'm gonna grab that in here. Chop some romaine, toss it in this big bowl. Next, I like to take arugula and just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that and mix it. Peppers and just take a couple and chop them up into my salad. A little bit of seasoning. This is just garlic salt. Just a little bit of that. I like my salad to be pretty like drenched in dressing. I don't like it super dry, so I like to put a lot of olive oil, like a baby amount of balsamic, and I really like to add honey to my salads. So drizzle a little bit of that on. And then I'm just gonna have tuna. If you guys don't like tuna, you can just like swap it with your own protein or leave it as is, but I just feel like I need like substance. Especially because I work out, and so I just feel like it helps me to get in a protein. A little salt. This is the pink Himalayan salt, better for you than the regular one. And I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon. mix it all together. And that is lunch. Another day, another call. So cute! I love her.
Two-faced like threesome palette. So good. I've been using the Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Acid.
That's a good one.
Cream moisturizer. So good.
You look so
and I
pretty.
got this. Literally like obsessed with a Refi eyebrow thing, and then the other side is like white shit.
You look so pretty,
fucking
Eliza.
amazing. And like my actual personal favorite is this fucking like sampler of Versace perfume. Like it smells. It cut off, but what I was gonna say is I totally like understand why you took so long getting ready when we were in like high school, because like I literally was so excited to put makeup on, and it's like a fucking like art form, painting your face with like, now like I actually like enjoy it. And like getting new product, one product costs $100.
I know.
And I just want to say like I get it.
She doesn't say yes. She goes. She always asks. She asks questions. Dad. What are you doing?
I am getting it. It's just not real right now.
If I say that,
No.
she goes, "What's McMillan?" I know where I get it from.
Oh, what?
Mom,
it's Roman numerals.
I'm gonna pee my pants. It doesn't say McMillan.
Where does she see an N, first of all?
She makes things up.
She's literally, what the heck?
Oh, she goes, oh, I get it.
I like it. I'm gonna say unacceptable.
Yeah. Well, just if you didn't tell them.
I'm just gonna say, I'm getting
Mom's gonna go, ha ha. It is. Hello.
Every other day she gets so we took it brand new. Wow. So we took it, you know, we have some flowers. Now it's got two.
This smells so good. I'm not even kidding. Smell. It's pink peony. No, but it smells different. Cute. I like this brand. This one. What should we get her? Does she need any?
No, I'm all set. Yeah, I'm going.